Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, Paper Izzy, bringing you more human-generated art. And today I'm going to try another Mountain Dew. It is the Baja Blast Midnight Edition from Taco Bell. Okay, whatever that was. So we're going to try the Midnight thing, and then I'm going to draw something for it, which I normally do. The last Mountain Dew Taste Test video got like 5 subscribers from it. So hi, new Mountain Dew girls. What is that noise? So hi to my new Mountain Dew girlies. Let's try it. Interesting. It's good. It definitely tastes purple. I love purple. It's my favorite color. It has a... It's an interesting taste to it. I really don't know how to describe it. It's almost cheerwiney, I guess. I also got a cheesy steak burrito thing. I don't know. So I'm gonna try that. Why not? We're doing a mukbang today. Interesting. I think they gave me the... I'm glad I'm recording this. This is good. Let's better check on my car. Oh my god. Alright, so for this drawing, I wanted to draw a ghost inspired by the Baja Blast, kind of making a poltergeist that is haunting my car because I don't know what's going on with my car. Nothing bad's happened. It was just making funny noises and it was kind of spooky, so this is the ghost that haunts my car. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more human-generated art. Adios, amigos.